Tax myths and urban legends. Hey everyone, it's CPA Dan Hodges from myfavoritecpa.com. Let's talk today about a common misconception. Let's call this one deductions misconception. And everybody out there's got an opinion, and not everybody is right when it comes to taxes. Always consider the source. And some of us have preconceived notions up here that just aren't right. So when we're talking about business deductions, know this. Deep rooted in the IRS law, it says that you are allowed a deduction off of your business income for any cost that you may have in business that is necessary and ordinary. What does this mean? It means if you have to bear a cost or an expense to produce the revenue in your business, you are allowed to deduct that cost because it's necessary. And likewise, if you're kind of on the hook, like, is that really necessary or is it not? The other question that you want to ask yourself is it ordinary? A deduction in and of itself will not reduce your tax bill. So if you owed $100, if you had a $100 deduction, it would not reduce your tax to zero. Basically, you would take your tax rate, multiply it by the deduction, and that amount there, the calculated tax, is what you would take off of your tax obligation. So that's how much it would save you. By sharp contrast, we do have tax credits. Tax credits are always a wonderful thing because tax credits are legitimate. You take your tax, which might be $100, you subtract off your credits, and you owe something less than $100. If you had $100 of tax and $100 of credits, you owe zero. So there are many things in this world and in business where you can get both a deduction and a credit. There are many things where you can get just a credit, and there are some things that you only get a deduction. So always be looking about those things and ask your accountant if you have questions. And hey, if you like this content and you'd like to see more, be sure to give me a like and a follow and hit that notification bell. I am on virtually all the social medias, including Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. But check out my link tree and you can see my videos and some of the things that I've done to help you, small business owners.